ConductorOne was a significant integration for us to complete our tech stack around achieving the level of control over our access. Having both the access reviews and the access requests in one pane of glass was a must-have for us. It brought together both the request side of the house as well as the back-end auditing in the end.
ConductorOne has given us the ability to have an up-to-date look into the applications that are connected via an API and collect evidence on a more frequent basis. Having the ability to keep all of the access review evidence in one spot has also proven to be valuable for audit purposes. With ConductorOne, we've seen faster review times and the ability to increase visibility via the notification system when we push out those access reviews. This has made our process for application owners easier and allowed them to get time back in their days, and it has also eliminated some of the unnecessary access across our applications.
ConductorOne has been a game changer. We don't really get as much user access requests because they're being done through ConductorOne through the right application owners. ConductorOne allows us to give the keys to the main admins and they can manage all those tasks by themselves. It saves my team and their team a lot of time.
We have this tool that's not only going to make my life easier, but it's going to make your life easier as well. And you're going to be able to have all of your application requests in one spot. So there's no more digging through emails. There's no more looking through a ticketing system to find this person's business justification. Now it's all in the same spot.
I'd say just set up a call with them, because from the start to the end, you're going to get world-class support, and they're unmatched in this space.